Go. Run this game for 5 years. Guess that's where my feet hurt. Wonder when they find me. Do these teeth hurt? Thought you knew about it.
Hi guys, we're wearing goggles today.
Okay.
Brandon is really cool.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
The sliding one.
Okay, guys, sorry for blurriness, but please, oops. Let's play it again. LOL!
Let's just do this and quit acting like we ain't got life. Let's just do this. Let's just do this.
Hi, my name is Joanne Lee, and this is my life story. I come from a family of 4, consisting of me, my sister named Hannah, my mom, and my dad. And we can't forget about my dog, Natty. All of my family is born in South Korea. I was the only one who was born in the US. We got Natty when she was a mere 8 weeks old as my 15th year birthday present. Right now, Natty's almost turning 2. My mom and my dad moved to California when my sister was 1. They sacrificed their lives in South Korea just for a better environment for me and Hannah, and I am eternally grateful for what they have done for me. Because of them, I am able to grow up happily in a better society. My parents always taught me to push myself to my limit and to always set my expectations high. They serve as my role models, and I aspire every day to be more like them. My sister is also another figure that I look up to, even though I will never admit that to her. She's always hardworking and always does the best in whatever she participates in. Even though she can be bratty many times, I have never met a more determined and intelligent person than her, and I still hope that I can be like her one day.
Is this life you live worth it? Does the ice you hide make you painless? She likes my diamonds and my pearls. I said thanks, my girl designed it.
Ready. 이제 그만 와 그만. Don't. 어유. 이영아, 박자가 다 틀려. 너무 뛰어. 쿵푸.
When I was a little kid, I used to want to be the first Asian and female president of the United States. Big dreams, I know. Obviously, I didn't know the full weight of being president of a country back then. As I grew up, I realized that I had a very big dream and an irrational dream as well. Eventually, I came to the conclusion that, well, not all dreams are meant to come true.
Whatever that you like, I got it all for you. So what?
My childhood years up to now, I've always made the best memories at the beach. To be honest, I used to hate the beach as a little girl, mainly out of the fear of being killed by a tsunami. Of course, I grew out of that fear and came to be grateful for all the great times that I can recall at the beach, like playing with the sun with my family as a little girl, or making s'mores with my friends around a bonfire. Even though there are some unfortunate memories, like being stung by a stingray, the beach will always be my happy place, and I'll always be drawn towards the cool waves of the ocean.
What's your preference? Do you like rap or rock more? Whatever that you like, I got it all for you. So what do you do? I got a lot more time.
Someone who made those memories at the beach even better is my friend named Tammy Miju Lee. I met her in 7th grade and continue to be close friends with her till this day. Since the beginning of our friendship, she has always had my back and always supported me. Tammy is one of the kindest, selfless, and funniest people that I know. She never fails to put a smile on my face, and she always surprises me with the amount of kindness that is in her heart. Even though I may joke around and tease her, she knows that I am sincerely grateful for what she has done for me and what she will do in the future. Tammy has helped me change into a better person, and I hope to be as kind of a person as she is someday.
So we can unwind and listen to whatever you like.
I'm in this Cypress High tennis team, and being in this team taught me to never give up. It was difficult reaching the expectation of winning all the time, but me and my partner Jenny Kim kept working towards being a better team. By the time the next season rolled around, we never lost a match and we ended up getting MVP of that year. This showed me how hard work really did pay off.
You so what to do, I got a lot more time.
Of course, I've had my shares of ups and downs, but eventually I realized that in the end, everything happens for a reason. So for now, I'll just hang on for the ride, enjoying the good times and learning from the bad ones, and we'll see where life brings me.